In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to live map in Waze. If you want to view Waze in its live map mode, the good news is that it's a very quick process once you know where to click. This is useful if you want to see traffic conditions, routes, and map activity directly from the Waze website in a more map-focused view. To begin, go to Waze in your web browser. Once the site opens, you may already notice that you're looking at the live map interface depending on the page that loads for you. In some cases, Waze can open directly into a map view, especially if you followed a directions link or visited a map-related page. Now, if you're already inside Waze and wondering how to get to the live map specifically, here's what to do. Look over to the right-hand side of the screen. This area usually contains additional options and navigation tools for the website, so that's where you'll want to focus your attention. On the right side, click on the icon with 9 dots. This is the app menu or shortcuts menu, and it opens a list of available Waze sections and tools. If you don't immediately recognize it, just look for the small grid-shaped icon made up of 9 tiny squares or dots. After clicking that, you should see an option labeled Live Map. Go ahead and click on Live Map. This tells Waze that you want to switch from the current page or section into the dedicated live map view. Once you select it, the page will reload, give it a moment, and Waze will then display the live map. At that point, you'll be able to browse the map, view routes, and interact with the live mapping features available on the site. If the page takes a second to refresh, that's completely normal. Just wait for the map to finish loading before trying to click anything else. Also, if you don't see the 9-dot icon right away, try maximizing your browser window since some website controls can shift depending on screen size, and that's all it takes to change to live map in Waze. It's a simple process. Open Waze, look to the right hand side, click the 9 dots, choose live map, and wait for the map to reload. Once it does, you're in the correct view and ready to use it.